Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Ohana Manawa. Wasn't planning on recording today. It's dark and gloomy here in Linguine. Just been like this all day, almost all week. But we're gonna make a little comfort food. Alright, what are we making?
Spaghetti with meatballs!
Alright, so we got our ground pork and an egg. We're gonna be turning it into meatballs. Alright, let's go put in cumin.
This?
Yep, cumin.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in the room.
It's in the room on the bed.
See what else we get. Some oregano. Some Italian seasoning. What else? Some mince onion. As we're waiting, we got our water ready. We're gonna get our noodles. Fettuccine. Pour more, love. No, just pour it out of the cap.
There's some more. Oh, that's a lot. Let me get this one. This one? There you go. Like furikake?
No, you love furikake in there, almost everything, don't you?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Love. Mix with your hands, though.
Huh?
Just mix with your hands.
Mix it with my hands?
Yeah.
Ugh.
All right, guys, welcome back. We got our Chef Andy got her meatball mix ready.
Put it in.
So you saw the seasonings. Yep. Now we're gonna put in a dredge. We got flour, breadcrumbs, and a little bit more seasoning inside the flour mixture as well. And once we start rolling those up, we're gonna get the fryer going. Add oil. You can also always sub the oil for like olive oil or avocado oil. Just know that with different types of oil, they all come with different kinds of smoke points. So canola oil, being the highest smoke point, can take a little longer from burning, while avocado oil, it has a shorter smoke point, so it actually burns faster. Yeah, good size though. Yeah.
Our first meatball is gonna go on the plate.
Well, not ready yet.
Oh.
Yeah, do a little test. Oil is not quite hot for us, so we're going to take it out and put it on the side, and we'll just continue to make more meatballs.
So you want to dip it in here, like cover like most of it, then like roll it. Then you're gonna take it out after you're done rolling it, shape it, and put it in another bowl. Then you do the same thing. Then you do the same thing. Swirl.
One key thing about making the meatballs, love, make sure they're nice and packed and tight, okay?
Oh, okay. That's another fact about
I'm going to put it in.
wash your hands after this.
Very well too, because you're touching raw meat.
And powder.
Yeah.
You want your hands to get dirty or stink.
Yeah. Can't touch anything after you're done. Okay. I think
Okay.
the oil is nice and ready, love. Okay.
So we're gonna put one meatball by one.
Yeah.
Into the oven. Pan.
It's gonna be kind of still messy, so you just go ahead and throw them in because I already washed my hands. You gotta be careful, love. You can't just throw them in there. You okay? Mm-hmm. And you just got her little first taste of oil splatter and she dropped it in. So just be careful, guys, when you're cooking. Don't worry, love. Keep it going. Just be careful. Put down like that. You guys want to avoid, splatter? Giant chopsticks. The Asian in all of us.
You
My
could need a
family.
little bit more powder.
Oh, need a little bit more? Good job, love.
I don't want our meatballs to be raw.
Yeah.
This is a good one.
Don't. Just drop it down like that.
There we go. Now,
Just dump it. Let's dump it. We can't use it anymore, so let's dump it and just wash your hands.
so you touched it raw meat.
Yeah, any raw meat you touch, you gotta always wash your hands after. Our meatballs are cooking. We got our water almost ready to boil.
Oh. Time to move them.
Time to roll them. I'm gonna throw it in the noodles, okay?
Okay. Again, you always have to move them, or if you don't move them, they're not gonna be fully cooked.
Yeah.
And so you're gonna have raw meatballs. Look that one. Worth it? Ah, these are looking nice and yummy. What do you guys think?
And how about we switch like? I'll do this one. No. Okay. Take this so you can move here. No. For your meatball.
Oh. Kind of smushed meatball.
Yeah. What do you want to stop? No, don't break the meatball. You just put it together. Yeah, I'll show you how to do it. No. Take this on the side, bro. Yes, okay. So after you give your meatballs a split, let's go ahead and cover them.
Is it a cover?
Yeah, we're gonna cover them so they cook a little faster and avoid splattering.
Kids, be careful. It's okay if you make a mess,
It's always good to make a mess.
but you have to clean it up after yourself.
Exactly. You want to turn them or you want me to turn them?
You can turn them.
Let's go get the strainer though for the noodles.
Okay. Good stuff. we have to make the meatballs all cooked, fully cooked. If you don't fully cook them, they're gonna be like a little bit raw.
Yeah, you don't want that. You gotta eat it. For a little quick tip, if you're treating these as like burger patties, you can always throw these in the oven if you wanna make sure they're fully cooked in the center. I got the oven set for 350, and then we're gonna throw these in for about 5 minutes. For this type of pan, it's actually oven safe, so I can throw the whole pan inside and not worry about anything melting or burning or any of that. But also
or like
do
the
check.
pan melting.
Yeah, always good to check.
Or your pan will melt.
Balls are being cooked. We're gonna go cut some onions. Get these ready for our spaghetti sauce.
Okay.
Can I get an onion, please?
Now my dad's gonna chop them.
Yep.
Chop, chop. You don't want big tomatoes in spaghetti. So now we're gonna put this onions and tomatoes into the spaghetti.
First, we gotta check our meatballs.
Yep.
But if you guys can hear, it's nice and sizzling. Next up, can you hold this so I can check it?
Okay. Now I'm gonna be filming. Does that sound good?
Okay.
Oh yeah! Look at the meatballs. Good, good, good. Yeah, I have some meatballs.
Alright, you wanna check them? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna check the big one, okay, love?
Okay. We're gonna open the tomato sauce.
Alright, and he's gonna use this old school type crank can opener.
Oh wait.
Use your other hand, love, your right hand. See if she can figure it out. How's it going over there, love?
Good.
Good? Figure it out yet?
No.
Alright, here. Hold this so I can show you. Here, come on. She's a stubborn one. So you gotta, see? So this is the bottom. So this is the blade where you want to cut.
Yep.
So that, you push down.
So then you're gonna twist.
Yeah, you gotta, see, you hear that? You hear that little
Then
pop?
you.
You're gonna spin this like a crank.
Okay. Got some light. And a speaker.
There you go. All done.
This is life. There it comes. This is the life, you guys and girls. Life is good. Plus, I got my little picture.
Alright, meatballs are ready, love.
Okay,
Yeah.
Chef Dad.
Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take these out real quick.
Put in the onions.
Yep, okay.
done.
Okay, once you put the onions in, you're gonna give them a quick stir with the tongs. Just careful, the handle is hot, okay? It's not oven. Move around with the tongs. Yeah, start putting your tomatoes in. Give them a quick stir up.
Okay, let's get our hands dandy tongs. Okay,
Okay.
gotta separate them.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Grab the Italian seasoning. Go ahead. We'll sprinkle some on top. Adding some Italian seasoning now and some basil. Give this vegetables a little bit of flavor. So we're going to kind of scoop up all the flavor.
I'm gonna go put this away.
You put in the basil though?
Huh?
Don't put in the basil. The basil. Good. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put the meatballs back in. Put in the sauce left.
Where?
Put it right inside the pan.
Pan.
Alright. Now I have all that in there. What we're going to do, we're just going to put it on a medium simmer and bring it to a nice little boil. Come back in about 10 minutes.
Bye.
Alright guys, we're back. Meatball sauce is coming to a simmer. Nice. Looking very nice. And from here, we can just, we're going to go mix them up. Give them a quick turn. Pour them back up. Put it on low. And dinner's done. Once you get to this stage, you can just get your family ready. Like, hey, it's dinner time, so go set up the table or go take a shower. That's where Andy is right now. I just told her to take a quick shower because dinner's about to be done. Because it is Sunday, and you know what that means. Tomorrow's Monday. Start of a new week. Alright, guys. See you guys next time on Ohana Manawa.